Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change autosave time duration in Microsoft Excel. By default, Microsoft Excel has the feature to automatically save the data in temporary folder. This will be helpful to prevent the data loss when the Excel unexpectedly closes. Let's learn how you can change the autosave time duration in Excel. So you have to go to File and click on the option. Here you have to click on the Save. In Save or Books section, you have to enable the Save Auto Recover information every 10 minutes. By default, it shows 10 minutes. You can increase or decrease the time. So now I am going to reduce this time duration. I'm set with 5 minutes. So every 5 minutes it will be saved automatically and store the temporary file. This means this will not save in the actual file. So this will save us a separate temporary file. This file you can find from this folder. So if you would like to recover the unsaved data, you can open the file from this location. So in this way you can change the autosave time duration in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.